Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 Enhancement 6. I need to check if the My Account link is present before the login and if the logout link is present after the login. So first I will start checking the HTML here. Okay, no errors. And I will log in here with a client level 1, which means this client doesn't have access to the products controller. Okay, client level 1 and the logout link is present. Let's check the HTML. Okay, no errors. Now I will log out and log in again with a client level 3. Okay, level 3, log out here, the link, and the products controller link is present because of the level. So let's check if it's working. Logout present, here too, and here. So let me check this view too. Okay, no errors. That's it. Thank you.